Wicca wicca, what's going on, world? Slept in my pants last night, which is highly unusual, but it's pretty destroyed. We've got an absolute banger of an afternoon, or of a day, and a busy one too, so let's get going.
Yes, buddy.
Morning.
Morning.
Bobby, how you doing? Atta boy. Damn it.
Morning! How's my best friend?
Very good, buddy. How are you?
How are you guys? My other best friends.
Very good, buddy.
Got a B12 in my mouth, so I can't just chit chat.
I haven't really opened up the vlog, you know?
Okay, yeah.
Cracked it open.
Yeah, so why don't you put that on pause and I'll go pee and then I can crack it open.
Alright.
Good morning, party people. Today is insulation day. So we've got up early. We have an appointment with our buddy boy.
Jim Beam.
Jim Beam. Buddy. What's his name?
Oh, his name is Jeff.
We have an appointment with Jeff this morning to get the van properly insulated. This is something that we didn't do for our build for a number of reasons. One, the height, we're a little too tall to really insulate the floor. Two, we didn't know any better.
I guess.
Anyways, we're trying something different for this build, and
if we were to do it again, we would insulate.
Better.
Maybe not as much as my dad's doing because we really did value that height, but yeah, you definitely want to insulate your floor. It's cold. On to Jeff Bound.
We'll see you soon, Jeff. Hi, Jeff.
Jeff.
I'm Jeff. I'm Jeff's wife then.
For more Bec.
Yeah,
More
you
Bec.
bet. You bet.
They're looking for more Bec. Are we gonna give it to him, Bob? No.
Sure we are.
Just kidding. How you doing today?
I'm good. How are you doing?
Good. You feeling like you're a bit of a celebrity now?
Well, you know, I don't want to let it go to my head.
That's important.
Yeah, but thank you everyone for your comments and your nice gestures.
Good guy, Bob, eh? All right, the plan today, guys, is we are going to see Jeff. Jeff is a small business owner. He owns a company called Air Seal, and we got in touch because I looked into spray installation. And apparently that stuff's pretty legit. So he is gonna hook us up. He's gonna spray the entire van, and we're gonna talk a little bit more about that when we get there. Let's go.
We're just putting in the AC electrical boxes. We're having two going in this van, one over here for the kitchen area and one over here for the living room area, bedroom area. So basically all we did is put in these supports here. These are this is straps that are going 1x2 strapping.
Yeah, they sell the
Put in
straps.
These two supports to, this box connects onto here. It's 3 inches deep here. So let's put your glasses on. So you wear glasses. And now you basically, if you watch this cable, it'll just tighten up. So now that cable won't shift anyway, it won't cut itself. And this is now all to code, the Ontario Electrical Code. Perfect.
Are you signing off on that?
Boom!
Thanks.
Jeff?
Yeah.
How you doing, Jeff? Eamon.
Good to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well. This is
Bob.
Bob.
Jeff, how are you? It takes a little getting used to being on film, huh? I got fans now, actually. Yeah, I'm the oldest guy on YouTube, I think.
Something like that, just kind of give it a quick skiff.
Yeah, okay.
Just not shoot it into the corners because I don't know what's in there.
A quick skiff, guys. Is that like a pro terminology
yeah,
there?
just a quick pass. And then just a pass on that as well. And
Yeah, beauty. How long you been in the business, Jeff?
15 years.
15 years. So I gave him a call. He's a great guy. He says that he does vans starting at $600, depending on what the situation is. So if you guys are in Toronto, or if you're anywhere and you want to bring Jeff your van, he'll hook you up, and I'll leave his website and information below. You can give him a call and get your van professionally done. I think that's the best way to do it. So without further ado, let's get cracking. Have you ever seen a spray foam montage?
No,
But you're about to, eh?
I'm about to, yes.
Let's go.
a montage.
Give me a sound test.
Testing 1, 2, 3. Much quieter.
Yeah, it looks like Jeff's got a kinky side here. Hey Mike, thanks a lot, man. Appreciate it.
Thank you, Mike.
Alright, bro. Have a good one, man. The van is starting to sound a lot more quiet, and we were just trying to have a little conversation about the pros and cons of spray foam. The last van we did, I think, well, we did the thin slate and the Reflectix, and we had my brother, my dad, and myself, and Bec at times, so it's 4 people. 2.5 days work, and pretty tedious work too. It's not like it's a super enjoyable job.
With the glue, inhaling the glue, right?
Yeah. So, all in all, if you bring Jeff your van and you have the wires all taped, he'll do it for 600 bucks. It's a 3-hour job. To me, it's a no-brainer. And he cleaned it all off and shaved it down, so the board should go on no problem. It's pretty messy. Like, there's a little bit of overspray, I'll admit, but overall, I think that was well worth it.
Bec?
Caught red-handed.
Boom. Smash lunch. Oh, let's go.
What the fudge?
I'm thinking this is from like the ancient Renaissance and we scored big. Ball and chain, like, ball and chain. This guy showed up today.
First things first, getting rid of these hideous stickers.
What's up, Bobby Brown?
This side down.
Okay.
Says this side down, see?
Okay, but just pretend you know what you're doing.
Okay, today we've got the floor joists in with the insulation, and now we're going to put in the subfloor, which is a 5/8 flooring board,
Yeah.
and then on top of that we're going to put some type of hardwood floor. Looks good for your first cut of this season. Can you put the right side?
This might be my moment. I've been waiting for this all year. Okay, just to give you an understanding of what we're doing, we're trying to cut the next piece in line. It's all tongue and groove. We're trying to cut the wheel wells out of that piece just to try and keep the entire floor as little pieces as possible so it's a little bit more solid. Oh, you gotta cut that foam out.
No, it should work.
What? You're gonna have to cut all this out.
Oh yeah, all that.
Don't be alarmed. Even Bob makes mistakes.
A lot of them.
Can't we just put a little piece in there?
Yeah, we will.
Yeah.
Not the end of the world.
Yeah. Thanks, Bec.
Hey, no problem, Bob.
The reason why we got the tongue and groove is because it actually feeds the channel into itself. So tongue, groove, and then it sits in there so you get a nice flush finish.
Last piece.
Looks good.
Jim Dandy?
Well, Jiminy Cricket, anyway.
What does that mean?
Well, it's not quite dandy, but it'll do.
Just wanted to say, I hope you're having a lovely day. This is your 2 seconds with Bec. Enjoy the vlog. Eamon just called up to me. I'm going up a ladder with a knife. You might want to film this. So I guess I'm filming this. Very sketchy, buddy.
Hey guys, we're gonna finish the fan install. And he just insulated around the little patch that I did, so this is the situation.
That's our good knife.
I know, babe, but I gotta get rid of this. Took his advice?
Wait, hold that for a thumbnail maybe.
Okay, babe, go around. I'll pass the knife to you.
Okay.
I wonder if this will work.
Buddy,
Sorry, baby.
that's not safe. I'll
Can you
get
pass me the,
the sawy looking
yeah,
one?
that saw.
I'm just scratching some of this stuff off
Yeah?
so that we can fit the maxi fan in.
Nice.
We've got a trim kit to show us.
The trim kit will now be placed in here if we cut the hole right, which we did. Pinched up a little bit because of this rib here. We're not happy with the way
This is sitting right now because it's just hitting the edges of this rib, and same on the front, so it's not sitting flush. So what I'd rather do is cut that out actually, so that piece won't be interfered there, and then that way the whole thing will sit flat, and I'll still caulk the living bejesus out of it, but at least that way it will be out of the way. I'm sure Fantastic does not advise this, but this is what we're doing. Amazing!
It's good?
It's better. Now we're gonna prime the area. And get ready for install. Can you get me a long screw? I gotta pop the caulk. Up we got, Charlie. Kids, don't forget to pop your caulk at home.
Oh my gosh, that's disgusting. So is this like a glue, or it's more of like a sealant, or what is caulking?
Yeah, it's more like a sealant.
Okay.
And the reason we do this is just the water. We are using our own self-tapping screws because the ones they give us are a bull. Drop it in. Make sure you don't get the cables on that. There you go.
This is the right way, right?
Front, yeah. That completes another day on the Bob the Builder van. I feel like that's gonna be the new title.
Yeah.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, smash the thumbs up button. What else should they do, Bob?
Subscribe, yes, subscribe.
Subscribe to our channel. It really helps us grow. Anything else sad, baby?
No, I think today was a super productive day.
Excellent.
Now we're like ready to go because
Yeah.
the van's insulated. We were kind of waiting for that. Now it's like go time. So we got the fan in today. We're gonna smash out like another crazy day tomorrow. I don't know.
It's gonna be like boom, boom,
boom,
boom, boom,
tick,
boom.
tick, 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 boom.
Boom.
Peace out, guys. We'll see you tomorrow.
On tomorrow's episode.
You can't do it anymore.
You didn't have breakfast this morning yet?
Evan, I was waiting for you to make my breakfast, buddy.
What?
Yeah, did you make any?
I was walking around the office.
Even our little microphone's getting a little sawdust on top. Sorry, guys. A little bit of jealousy in the air, right?
And we're off to Home Depot with my buddy here.
Let's go.